read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we taught number 19. Our lesson is about number 19. What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to count, identify and trace numbers up to 19. Order and sequence numbers to 19. So before starting to teach the number 19, we have to display different objects on the table, call individually one by one. They will count how many leaves, how many stones, how many pencils. After counting the objects, you will visualize number 19. You could use 19 apples, 19 mangoes, 19 bananas. So, change objects on daily basis to develop their interest to count the objects. 19 umbrellas, bright and round, bright and round. Open them up and reel them round. Open them up and reel them round and round. In the rain or shining sun, hold them high and have some fun. Hold them high and have some fun. So, let's count these 19 umbrellas. After counting 19 umbrellas, we will say 19 umbrellas shimmer and shine in the sunshine. They will act, they will pretend that shine and shimmer by moving their hands up and down. Okay? So, it's very important to bring money in the classroom, visualize them, 10 rupee note and coins. These are 9 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 coins. It's 10 rupee note, 10 and 9, 19. 10 and 9, 19. Okay. Visualize them flashcard of number 19. They will say, it's number 19. Very good. After that, at the end, we will teach the students how to trace number 19. They know very well about, they could identify number 1 and number 9. So, it's easier for themselves to trace it. Start from the dot, come straight down, it will make number 1. Start from the dot, make semicircle, go up, come straight down, it will make number 9. 10 and 9, 19. Very good. I hope so you understood how you have to teach number 19 in the classroom. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.